Sachin Tendulkar presenting the number 10 jersey to the number 10 of football. Yes, the two of the greatest, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, what all sports people have been waiting for, what Mumbai has been waiting for. Wait, hold on. The World Cup ball from Leo Messi to the GOAT of Indian cricket, Sri Sachin Tendulkar. Big round of applause. Sir, Sachin sir, you know, this is a goated stage right now, sir. The greatest that has ever played the game. The greatest that has ever played the game. You know, I've been presenting a lot of shows, but I think I have never been able to say this out loud. A few words for having Messi in the house, sir.
नमस्कार मुंबई. कसं काय? सर्वप्रथम सगळ्यांना माझ्या वतीने धन्यवाद. आपण मुंबईत आहोत आणि ज्या प्रकारे तुम्ही लिओ, लुई आणि रॉड्रिगेस तिघांचं जे स्वागत केलंय, धन्यवाद. I have spent some incredible moments here. As we call it, Mumbai is a city of dreams, and number of dreams have seen the finish line here on this very venue. And without your support, we would never have seen those golden moments on this ground in 2011. And today, having all three of them here is indeed a golden moment for Mumbai, Mumbaikars and India. The way you have received all three greats of the game has truly been remarkable. When it comes to Leo, if I have to speak about his game, it wouldn't be the right platform. And you know, what does one talk about him? He's achieved everything. We really admire his dedication, determination, commitment. And above all, he's loved so much because of his humility, the person that he is. And on behalf of Mumbaikars and Indians, I'd like to wish him and his family the very best of health and happiness. To all of you, thank you once again for being here and encouraging youngsters. I hope football in India also reaches the height that we all aspire to. Thank you very much for being here.
Leo, can I have you over here, please? This is one frame, sir. This is one frame. You've heard the chants of your name. Before I let you go, this man is known as the God of cricket in India. You want to see, this is his stadium. You want to see what happens? Let's go. Sachin! One more time, Sachin! Now. Of course, the GOAT of cricket, Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin sir, I'm going to come to you. You've heard what the stadium does for you. I wanted to hear what the stadium does for Leo as well. Yeah? Hands up in the air, let's go! Messi! Messi! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the two of the greatest on the planet, Sachin Tendulkar, Leo Messi, and two of the legends over here, Luis Suarez, Rodrigo de Paul, are in the house. Just before we call it a night, sir, I would want us to please hand over the flags. Are we doing the flags? No? Hold on. Let's get the flags. Rodrigo, Luis, please join in. Thank you so much for coming to our country. We love having you over here, and we really, from the bottom of our heart, and I speak this on behalf of every Indian out here, we would love if you guys keep coming back to our country. Let us have you over. Let us show you what our hospitality is all about. I will request all right, let's have all of this up.